Stop paying for expensive OpenAI and Claude API credits. GLM 5.1 just dropped and it is absolute beast for coding. But instead of running it locally or paying per token, I am going to show you exactly how to get 100% free API endpoint for it right now. In under 2 minutes, we are going to grab our free token, plug it into our VS Code AI agent as an OpenAI compatible endpoint and get unlimited blazing fast inference. So let's get into it. First, go to the description and click on the link that I have provided and you will be here, model research. Now what you have to do is just come here and copy this line till V1. Copy this one and go to your VS Code here, open your Cline. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go to extension and search for Cline. Okay, that's all. Now here come to setting, and then here inside this API provider select OpenAI compatibility, then here enter the base URL, and here you have to enter the key. For the key, what you have to do, either you have to create from here or you can just move here and create your token. Okay, so I have already created, so now what I will do is just paste it here. Okay, let me do it. Now we have to add the model ID here, so what I will do is just copy this from here to here and paste it here. Okay, now everything done. Okay, so now click on done and here it will showing this one, that is 5.1 we are using. Okay, now let's say hi, and now it start thinking. Okay, so it's working now. So here is the response that says hi there, I am ready to help you. So now let's do something good. Okay, so what I will do is, let's say I want to create a landing page. Okay, so let's write create a landing page where I want the all codes in a single file, HTML and CSS, and also it contains all in navbar and hero section. That's all what I want. Now let's see what it creates. So guys, finally it's create the file, and here all the files details, and here you can see here all the codes here. Now it asks to save or reject, so I will save it. Okay, now here the index.html landing.html file is here. If you go to here you can see a landing.html file is present. It writes around 614 lines of code. Now let's see how it looks. So I will open it in a live server, and look at this guys, what it creates, and it looks perfect guys. Look at this, we have used we have used other tools like gamma 4, but look at this guys, we didn't get this much detailing. And here you can see I didn't tell about animation or something, but here you can see a floating window also showing. So I will use it and let you know how this is. Let's check the responsiveness here, and look at this guys, the responsiveness is good, but you can see there is no hamburger menu present. Okay, so the links got disappear. Okay, so we can fix that part, but here look at the design here, the responsiveness is perfect as well according to the design here. So I love this, and I will try it more and let you know guys how it looks and how it works. So that's all about today's videos guys, and if you have anything, let me know in the comment section, and I will provide the prompt link and everything in the description. So make sure to check that out, and if you feel it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. So see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.